Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just had the most annoying experience right now. I straightened my hair 2 days ago just because I wanted to take advantage of taking pictures and stuff while it's like empty out. It's raining today. My hair has been frizzing like crazy. If anyone out there has curly hair, you know what I'm talking about. My hair is naturally curly. Obviously, I haven't been able to get my hair done. I normally get a Dominican blowout. I have been trying to go back natural, so I don't even like get them that often unless I know I'm trying to get like content, and I'll take pictures for like a whole month or something. Nick, it's his birthday next week, and this weekend we're doing something really cool. But yeah, so I was doing my hair and it was frizzing as I was doing it. Literally as I'm straightening it and trying to fix it up just now, it was just frizzing, and I'm looking outside and it's just raining, and it's just I can't do my hair. I'm just really frustrated about that right now. Sorry. I'm running out of time as well. So today's video is going to be a couple of different things. I'm going to have you guys pack with me. I'll show you how I pack. I'm really excited about that because I haven't packed for a trip and gone on vacation in a while, so it's just getting me like in the mood for when this is all over. And we are going to go to Times Square. The reason I'm going to Times Square, most New Yorkers hate Times Square, myself included. It is way too crowded all the time. It's super empty with all the quarantine. So I wanted to do something special for Nick. Normally for Nick's birthday, we go to Bubby's. It's his favorite restaurant. It's one of my favorite restaurants. I used to work there when I first moved to New York. We usually go for brunch on his actual birthday, and then the weekend before we do something fun and cool or whatever. So I had an idea of just getting a hotel, having like a little mini vacay away from our home. We're in Brooklyn and we're just going to Times Square, but I just thought it'd be nice to have like a little getaway, I guess. And he has no idea. I've been telling him that I have a surprise for him. He wanted me to keep it a surprise. I told him not to guess last night, but obviously he did not listen. He's like, oh, I know, we're just gonna have Bubby's. I already know, we're gonna go pick up Bubby's and we're gonna go eat it like in a park or something. I wouldn't answer him because I don't want to even I'm really bad at giving stuff away. I just didn't want to answer, and so that's what he thinks we're doing, and it's really funny because he's going to be really surprised. Nick works on Wall Street. He has still been going into the office. There's only like 9 of them in his office and they've all still been working. It just makes more sense for him to be in the office, although they are all being safe. I'm going to pack. I'm going to show you guys that. Then I'm going to go ahead and head to a hotel now after I'm done. And then I'm gonna go meet him on Wall Street and then just tell him to come with me, and I'm not gonna tell him where we're going. I don't really know how I'm gonna do it. We're just gonna be walking around Times Square, and then I'm gonna just be like, hey, let's like go into this hotel or something, and then we're just gonna go up to our room because he doesn't know I got the room, and he's gonna be like, oh my god. Him and I used to do this when we first started dating and we had roommates. We wanted like away time together. We wanted like privacy. So it's just kind of like a play on that. It's gonna be fun. I wish I could give him more. I did buy him some Vans though because he has been wanting some more Vans, so I got him those and they should deliver today. I need to go ahead and pack. I really want to get there ahead of time. I want to film there and show you guys like our room and stuff because apparently it has a nice view of Times Square. I chose Times Square specifically. It is always so crowded. This is like an iconic location in New York City. Although this is like a pandemic, it's still history being made, and for us to be able to go to Times Square and stay there when normally we wouldn't, and get pictures and like be in an empty like Times Square, like it's gonna be crazy. I just want to take advantage of it. I just think it's gonna be really cool because Times Square is cool. It's just really annoying when it's packed with a whole bunch of people. We're gonna pack. I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna show the room. I'm gonna try to film his reaction when I go to meet him, and we'll see how he like plays along. He hates being on camera, but I'm gonna try to like film him when I go meet him in Wall Street, and then I'm gonna definitely try to film his reaction however he reacts. I just wish I could give him more, but this is just the hand that we were dealt. So okay, so to pack, this is what I normally do. I used to write a list when I was younger. I thought it was so cool. I'm just going to pull everything out. I pull out the pants or the skirts or whatever I want to wear, the tops, my undergarments, and just like accessories, and then we go to the bathroom and get everything we need for like our skincare and stuff. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull everything out and put it onto the bed. I'm also packing for Nick. We have been dating for a while and we know each other so well, thankfully, that I can pack for him, I can shop for him, he can do the same for me, and like we know we're fine. I think I'll be okay with like the small suitcase I have. But we'll see, because I usually overpack and I think I just need to change so I can look better when I go see him. Let's go into pack because I'm seriously running out of time. Okay, so I'm done putting everything out on the bed. I just need to kind of like fold stuff. I think we'll be okay with my small suitcase. We have like a little luggage set. That's the other one. They are both from West Elm. If it was up to me, I probably would have gotten it in pink because they have it in pink, but me and Nick both use these. This is basically all of our stuff. Guys, I am like not in my element today. It's so loud outside. There's people just yelling outside. My hair wouldn't get fixed. I'm stressed out because I'm running out of time because I was editing this morning and I was doing actual work for my job. I need to get it together and I need to calm myself down so that I can pack and get everything together. It's 2:12. I want to be out of here by 3 and like it's just not feeling that way. I want to try to fix my hair a different way and put on different clothes so I can get out and be ready for him because he's going to be done with work a little bit earlier today. I'm sorry about the lighting and everything. This is the suitcase. It's the smaller one. I'm gonna put like all of our clothes on this side for the most part, hopefully, because if anything spills, I like to just have it in its own section. And then I'm gonna put all our toiletries over here. I like to fold up all my pants and or skirts and dresses and stuff and kind of put them together. The weather in New York has been kind of funky, so I don't like, we're in that season where we don't really know like if it was gonna be hot or cold that day. I think Sunday's gonna be like in the 60s, but today's raining and tomorrow I think it's gonna rain a little bit, which is really annoying, but I'm just gonna make the best of it. Like all of my stuff just took up this space, so I really hope this all fits. So Nick has so many t-shirts already. This one is Goodman brand. It's a really good brand for t-shirts. They were very comfortable, good quality, and he just ordered like 3 more shirts. Sometimes I think he's worse than me. Like I don't even order, well, okay, yeah, I do. It is clearly overstuffed and I haven't even put our toiletries in. I might put those in a separate bag, I don't know. Or I could just use the big suitcase. I just didn't want to like lug that. Okay, so I am just like really stressed out right now. I literally just need to pack everything. I need to get our laptops because we need those. I need to get all of our toiletries, which I have them all laid out right here. There's a lot of stuff that I clearly don't need to bring. We live here, so if we truly need something, we can just come back to our apartment. But I'm just trying to make it very easy and comfortable for us out there. I really need to slow down. Like I'm dropping stuff. I need to calm down. I'm just stressed out because I want this to be a pack with me video, and I'm obviously not gonna pack again. So I wanna get it like now, and I need all the footage to look good. I don't know what's going on with me today, you guys. It's just one of those days. These are the Glossier bags. You get them every time you order anything from them, and they are amazing when you're traveling. I use them to put toiletries in, and Nick loves using them, believe it or not, and they're just really good. So I'm gonna use a couple of these. I don't know how many I need, but I have like so many. I seriously cannot wait until I try to make myself look a little better. I'm just really self-conscious about it right now. I moved to the big suitcase, you guys. I couldn't fit everything in, and I hadn't even gotten our shoes, so it was just not gonna work either way. Deodorants don't really need to be wrapped, I guess. Like they're okay. This would be different if we were like going on a plane because they like handle our luggage really bad. Stuff like this will go in bags like this just because it might leak. My face wash, little things like this, Future Dew. That can all just fit in here. I got some Q-tips. This is probably okay. Toothpaste is gonna go in here. I don't know if he's gonna like want to shave his beard. He usually like trims it up, so I'm just gonna bring it. I got him a new set of clippers from like Gotham Barber. He like sent it to me and was like, yeah, they're gonna be on sale. Like this is so cool. I just like bought it as soon as he sent that to me and didn't tell him. We've kind of made a rule that like when your birthday's coming up, you just don't buy stuff around your birthday. He's gonna end up buying something he wants and then I'm gonna end up buying it. So like I just tell him not to spend any money. He's not listening because he just bought shirts from Built. Anyways, I'll probably put the moisturizer even though it's pretty secure. And then we have just like a couple bamboo toothbrushes that you can get like a whole bunch of them on Amazon, like a big pack, and we like to use them when we travel. And mouthwash. I don't really know where I'm gonna put this. Probably just like, I think I have a bigger Glossier bag. So for things like this, like shampoos and things that have like lids that you can't really, like you're just scared they're gonna leak. I mean, we're not going on a plane or anything, so I know it's not gonna get like, you know, thrown around, but I learned this little trick on Pinterest. I really honestly don't like using plastic, you guys. Like, I'm trying so hard to just switch over everything, all of our products from toxic to non-toxic, and everything we have that's plastic to like non-plastic, because it's just so bad for the environment. I don't wanna make it seem like I'm just like perfect at this. I'm just really trying to be. But I learned this little trick on Pinterest. If you don't want like your products like this to leak, you take the lids off and then you just use a little bit of saran wrap or plastic wrap. I just get like a little like that and tear them off. And what you do is you put them on top, like you want it to kind of be like over that way, and you take the lid and you put the lid back on. So now there's no way for it to leak. It saved us so many headaches. I'm not washing my hair this weekend, so this is basically for Nick. This is the old shampoo I used to use, Naturals, like avocado stuff. I still like them, but my friend gave me another brand that I have been using and I really like it. I might switch back to this, we'll see. Nick uses all of my beauty supplies. Like apparently I get the best of the best, and he only wants to use my stuff. So my little makeup bag. I really want to take my Chloe bag. Nick got this for me for Christmas. It's my favorite bag right now. But it is raining, so I'm just gonna pack it and bring it along. I'm taking everything out and just putting it in my Coach bag because it's black, it'll go with everything, and if it gets wet, it's okay. Metro card, got my keys, I have my face mask. I'm gonna bring some sunglasses for Nick and I can't find the Chloe dust bag, so I'm just gonna put it in this little Philip Lim one. I'm like running around like a mad woman, you guys. Believe me, we do travel a lot when we're not quarantined. So when we go somewhere next, I'm not sure where we're going yet, I will do a better pack with me video. I'm packing my vitamins right now. Now we're gonna do some shoes. I usually pack like 3-4 pair of shoes. I always pack our slides, especially if we're in a hotel, we're gonna like just wanna put on something easy. Nick has Fila ones and I have like kids Nike. I think I'm gonna wear my white Vans, but I'm not really sure. I have bottoms for me, bottoms for Nick, tops for me, tops for Nick. I'm bringing a light jacket. He's wearing a light jacket. I'm bringing an umbrella because it's raining. I packed all of our toiletries. I need to get accessories, our laptops, any books we want. I already filled the Hydro Flask. We just like to have water with us so we're not buying plastic water bottles all the time. My camera stuff, the charger for the battery, and then the case I will do last, obviously, because I'm still filming. I literally go through this every single time I pack, like, what am I forgetting? What am I forgetting? I actually took out the trash and cleaned out the fridge too to make sure we didn't come back to any like stinky smells. Great, so what I wanna do now, since I think I have everything pretty much, actually let me pack our laptops. Okay guys, so I put in just some like basic earrings that I usually wear all the time, and I put on this shirt. I'm wearing it with this jacket and then my Coach purse, and I'm not gonna wear my white Vans. I'm actually gonna wear my black and metallic gold Adidas. I think it'll go better with this outfit. And it's raining, so I don't wanna wear anything white, and I just kinda wanna like get there. I'm trying to think of what else. We have chargers for everything, that's great. Phone and computers. I don't really know. I wish you guys like could actually just tell me like in real time, like, you're forgetting this, like, where are you guys? I'm gonna go into the bathroom, I guess, and just kind of like try to get ready. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with my hair, you guys. Like, I'm just feeling extra like ugly right now, and I just don't feel like getting ready at all. I was gonna put makeup on, but I can, like I said, I'm gonna have time when I get to the room, so maybe I'll do that when I get there. So I just like kind of put it in somewhat of an eater bun. You guys, this is like the struggle bus today, so just like let me be. So I think I'm ready. I really hope I am at this point because I kind of just like freaked out the whole morning. I get like this sometimes when I pack or when I'm running out of time. I had a little bit of a later start this morning. I knew I wanted to finish editing my video for Sunday. It's actually not this one. I edited a different video that I had already filmed that I'm really excited for you guys to see. Well, I guess you guys have already seen it if I have put this one up, because this video is going up after that one. I was just so slow this morning and I just like was not on my game. I don't know, we all have those type of days, so I don't want to like beat myself up about it. I think part of it is also because I really love Nick and I want him to have like the best day ever, like all the time, and especially for like his birthday weekend. I keep reminding myself that we live in New York, so like if we forget something or if like we just need something that like is like crucial, we can either just get it while we're out or just come back home. It's fine. Made it to our room. We are not staying in like a super fancy hotel. They said we had a king size bed with a view, and we have the bed, but the view is not what I was looking for. I mean, we have a view, they didn't lie, but it's not of like I want it to be like more like in Times Square. I just wanted a view of like more buildings, and it looks like we're just looking at like the street. It's fine. I know that like once we just start walking around and stuff, it's gonna be like that much better. So either way, it's gonna be a lot of fun. He's been texting me since like I've been in the car on the way here. He texted me like, where am I like going? Like, where am I meeting you? And I was like, nice try, I'm gonna come get you. I'll show you guys the room. It's not like that fancy of a room, so. The air conditioning is on full blast right now. I hate when hotels do that. He is off early. He's gonna be off at 4, and it takes me about 15 minutes to get there. And then I'm not gonna tell him when we're coming, and it's gonna be great. So let's get started, guys. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Can we go in here real quick? I know there's a homeless guy, but can we go in here real quick? Yeah. Just gotta pee. Oh, I'm supposed to put my face mask on. Okay, whatever. Yeah, can you go push the elevator?
Taking this off.
You should take it off.
Where are we going? Is there like a rooftop bar here or something?
I think so.
Are we staying here tonight? What are we doing? Let's go.
We are staying here tonight.
Oh my god, baby.
You like it?
Yeah, baby.
Hey.
Fuck yeah.
Are you happy?
I am.
I have to record your reaction. I had to.
I'm happy. Yeah, baby.
Thank you. You like it?
Yeah.
You want to see our view?
Yeah.
It's not really that much of a view.
That's funny.
But you like it though?
I love it, baby.
So we're gonna have fun.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Okay guys, it is freezing out here, like freezing. But me and Nick decided to come out here and take pictures at night because Times Square is obviously known for like the big lights, and we just got some really cool shots. Really cool saxophone player. There's Nick. We are probably just gonna go back to our hotel because we are freezing now and we kind of just want to be warm. It's been a lot of fun. This is like history in the making. The fact that this is an empty Times Square. Nick's family is in South Carolina and we just stood in front of the, what is it called, babe? The World Cam?
Yeah, it's like the World Cam.
Like the Earth Cam or something, the Times Square Cam, and they saw us from home and they took a picture and sent it to us. It's so cool. I usually hate Times Square because it's so crowded, but kind of forget how beautiful it is and how much we love New York because we always avoid it, but probably gonna try to come out here more often. It's so amazing. And I just love saxophone music, and that guy is amazing. You can still hear him. Also, there are like a million other people out here taking pictures and taking advantage of this because it's so cool. But yeah, we're probably just gonna go head back now because my hand is actually about to fall off. It's freezing.
Hey guys, I'm editing right now. I'm really sorry for the abrupt ending. I did not have an outro, so I'm filming it now. And I'm also sorry that I look like such a potato right now. This is basically what I look like when I edit, and I have been editing for hours. That's why I did the birds, because I'm just like, I need to get up and like move around. But basically after that, we went back to the hotel. The next day on Saturday, we went out and walked around. We got some food, and it snowed that day. Like it just snowed randomly for a little bit, and it was still kind of chilly. But then we went out later and went walking around and took pictures. They will be on my Instagram. It was so much fun. We got such cool shots. He had a lot of fun. And it was just really cool being out there when it was that empty. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, let me know. And let me know if you want to see more of the same. I cannot wait until we are back outside and everything's back open and I can get you guys some really cool New York footage. But until then, I'm trying to make do with what we have. So if you guys like this, please subscribe, like, and comment, and let me know what you think. All right, bye guys.